प्रकाश राव वैसे काफ़ी सीरियस से इंसान लगते हैं और उनकी फिल्म भी कोई हमेशा सीरियस नोट्स पे रहती है। भाई एक रोमांटिक फिल्म रही है जो ज़्यादा रिलेशनशिप्स के ऊपर ड्वेल करी थी। तो किस तरह का एक्सपीरियंस रहा प्रकाश राव के साथ काम करने में, कि हर हर डायरेक्टर
मुझे प्रकाश जी के ऊपर बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस था। मैंने उनकी बहुत पिक्चरें देखी थी. यू नो दैट ही इज़ a technician who's from an institute, so you have that kind of confidence in him. Completely depended on him. He gave you that sense of security. और पूरी पिक्चर के दौरान मुझे वैसा ही महसूस हुआ, a sense of confidence that if he said do it this way, I just went ahead and did it, and I did it with confidence. It wasn't like, am I going to look like a fool doing this? No, it was never like that. और फिल्म में एक छोटी बच्ची भी थी और बच्ची के साथ भी उनका रैपो बहुत अच्छा था क्योंकि उनकी खुद की बच्ची उसी एज ग्रुप में थी. तो he was very good with all the actors and even with the child, and it was a great experience. I learned a lot from Prakash ji. I learned several things that I'm not going to say on TV which I used to do, and he pointed it out to me and he says that's not very nice that you do that. So I learned how not to act in front of the camera from him. I'm sure I still act, but a big deal of it is responsible because I worked with him and he brought my notice to it. And he says a lot of time actors are so busy acting and that's not needed. You know, the harder you try, the harder you fall in performance. So the idea is to do it effortlessly, and that's what I learned from him.
का जो कैरेक्टर है इस फिल्म में क्या शेड्स हैं उसके जो आपको इतना आकर्षित कर गया अपार्ट फ्रॉम बीइंग अ प्रकाश राव?
आई थिंक इस पिक्चर में जो एक्साइटिंग बात थी वही यही थी, रिलेशनशिप्स के बारे में था और 3 प्रिंसिपल कैरेक्टर्स थे एंड इट वाज अ सिचुएशन विच इंटरेस्टेड मी. It would interest a lot of people. I like the way Prakash ji narrated it to me, and there was a certain strength that my character had which I would love to have in my real life, and so I enjoyed that strength, and so this would possibly be the most attractive things about the film, besides the fact that Ajay and Kajol were in the film.
आपके रोल के बारे में कुछ बताइए, दिल क्या करे, किस तरह का रोल था?
जब मैंने दिल क्या करे शुरू की तब मैंने सिर्फ परदेस में काम किया था, तो ये आइडिया नहीं था what makes a good character. I was just learning to work with some of the best directors, and so ideally working with Prakash Jha was my motive for doing the film. And yes, there were 3 principal characters. Picture में ज़्यादा भीड़ नहीं थी, ज़्यादा characters नहीं थे, तो essentially the film revolved around these 3 characters. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब आपके साथ बहुत अच्छे actors होते हैं, I mean अजय एंड काजोल are one of the best actors. जब वो आपके साथ काम करते हैं तो आप भी उतना ही अच्छा perform करते हैं, because acting for me is reacting, you know. So I think that brings out the best. So to have worked with them so early in my career when I didn't have much knowledge, I was still learning. I'm still learning, but I was even more raw at that time. To have worked with the best people, I think made the whole film happen the way it did.